Let's make ivy gourd fry. This is also called as Dondakaya. First prepare the masala. Add a cup fresh grated coconut. After roasted the coconut, add 5 to 6 red chilies. After cool down the mixture, add garlic and 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal. Grind the mixture this type of consistency powder. Take a pan, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and mustard seeds, 4 red chilies and few curry leaves. Sliced ivy gourd into the pan. Nicely fry the vegetable, turn to the golden brown color. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 spoon salt, 2 tablespoons chili powder. Nicely mix the vegetable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. The vegetable cook the 80%. Add the masala powder. After fry the vegetables 10 minutes. After serving the bowl, any rasam or sambar perfect side dish. Don't forget subscribe.